kusho ukuthi kumbe yathi imphosa ngawo mbe kwathi cha kumbe khona lapha ihlaba ngophondo lapho kwavuleka khona konke lapha ngikwazi ngake mbekwazi.
A buffalo attack left 64-year-old Elizabeth Ndlovu of Mpumelelo village under Chief Mvuthu with life-changing injuries. Years later, she was still living with the consequences.
And then selihambe kuya operator lokhu ke kwasokuthutsha njani lokhu?
Bakuchiya phandle bona bempilo bakuchiya phandle. Ngoba lapha ephepheni lesikani babhala ukuthi banjithe ithumbu phandle. Kumele mbuyele empilo. Balokuthi mbuyela isekho.
Alilayo la khathesi.
Akane vele ke ngalaya aniloko endindele bona bekemfa ukuthi babethe baza compensate imali bazayibisa.
Across Zimbabwe, many communities living alongside wildlife face dangers that often go unnoticed, from attacks by elephants and buffaloes to the loss of crops and wildlife. Through this documentary series, Vic Falls Live will be sharing the stories of people living on the front line of human-wildlife conflict, giving a voice to communities whose experiences are rarely heard. For Elizabeth Ndlovu, the scars remain a reminder of life-changing encounter. For many others, similar stories are waiting to be told. Thank you for watching. My name is Nokutaba Dlamini for Vic Falls Live.